Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's slime is inspired by Joseph Antoni's video, and I'll be making watercolor slime. But before that, it's time for a shoutout. Today I would like to say hi to Olczek Games, Oleg Sobarnia, and Kamila Jędrzejczyk. If you'd like to get a shoutout in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and write a comment with notifications card hashtag. Okay, now let's make that slime. So first I will put some gold flakes in my container. Now I will put in here basic white glue slime. It's only white glue mixed with borax. Now I'm just making the top of it flat. And now I'll add drops of different food colorings. Now let's close it, and all you have to do to get the watercolor effect is to leave it like this for 2 hours. Okay, here's my slime after 2 hours. The colors have spread inside the slime. It looks very nice. Let's open it and let's see how this slime is. The colors are mixing very nice. Stop this video now and write a comment what color you think the slime will be after mixing it. This color is very nice, it's like an ocean green color. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you soon. Bye!